Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop it, give me 50!
Today we're going to talk about a lithium shortage, but before we start, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick video here letting you know about, I've been hearing talk lately that people can't get batteries for their EV cars when they need to be replaced. And there's a huge lithium shortage going to be going on in the world, and the price of batteries is going to go through the ceiling, because of supply and demand. So I wanted to bring it to the lowest price right now. Is these are the batteries I use, these Wheeze batteries. And I have 6 of them if you've been watching my channel for a while. And I have this one here, which is the 100 amp version, okay? And right now they're on sale for $269.99. And that's the same price that's on Amazon right now. But if you buy it from the Wheeze page with the link below, at checkout you get an additional 3% off. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's something. And if you look here, they also have a deal going on for a limited time where if you buy one item and get one item at 10% off. So if you buy 2 batteries, then you would get additional savings. So just wanted to bring to your attention that there's a worldwide shortage in lithium batteries, and batteries might become scarce. 1, because people are going to start buying them up, and 2, if there's a lithium shortage, there's going to be less batteries, and the price is going to go through the roof. So there'll be a link below in the description where to go to the Wheeze website to get this battery, and at checkout you get an additional 3% off. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Solar on.